Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This is a session of grade 2 mathematics. So students, how are you all? I hope you all must fine by the grace of Allah. So students, now take out your books and open your maths books and open page number 28. Okay students, open page number 28. Before we start the topic, first of all write down dates today 24/8/20 and write down classwork. Okay, C.W. So student, the topic is about ascending and descending order. You know very well that what is ascending order and what is descending order. The ascending order is started from smallest number, okay, and descending order is started from greatest number or greater number, okay. So student, this count backward 10 steps down from the given number first has been done for you. First of all students, yes, you know very well that count backwards 10 steps, okay. So you know very well that what is backward counting, okay. Backward counting just like that, but you skip 10 steps, okay. 950, then you have to skip 10 numbers or 10 steps from 950. So what will get? 940. Very good. Then before 940, if you skip 10 numbers from 940, then what will get? 930, then 920, 910, 900, 890, 880, 870, 860, 850, 840. If you will skip 10 numbers or 10 steps from 840, then what will get number? 830, 820, 810, 800, then 790, 780, 760, 750. Okay, so students, you have this activity, okay. Student, 110 first of all, okay, and you have to skip 10 steps from 130. So what will get number? 120. Very good. Then before 120, if you skip 10 steps from 120, so what will get? 110. Very good. Then before 110, okay, before 110, if you will skip 10 numbers from 110, so what will get? 100. Very good. Then before 100, if you skip 10 numbers from 100, then what will get number? 90. If you skip 10 numbers from 90, then 80. If you will skip 10 numbers from 80, then 70. If you will skip 10 numbers from 70, then 60. If you will skip 10 numbers from 60, then 50. If you will skip 10 numbers from 50, then 40. Very good. Now 290. Okay, if you will skip 10 numbers from 290, so what will get? Yes, 280. If you will skip 10 numbers from 280, so what will get? 270. Then if you will skip 10 numbers from 270, then 260. If you will skip 10 numbers from 260, then 250. Then 240. Then if you will skip 10 numbers from 240, then what will get number? 230. Then if you will skip 10 numbers from 230, then what number will get? 220. Then 210 and 200. Very good. Yes, 370. If you will skip 10 numbers from 370, what will get? 360. If you will subtract 10 numbers from 360, then what number will get? 350. If you skip 10 numbers from 350, then 340. If you will skip 10 numbers from 340, so what will get? 330. Yes, if you will skip 10 numbers from 330, then 320. If you will skip 10 numbers from 320, then 310, 300, 290 and 280. Then 520. If you will skip 10 numbers from 520, so what will get? 510. Then if you will skip 10 numbers from 510, then what will get? 500. If you will skip 10 numbers from 500, then 490. If you will skip 10 numbers from 490, then what will get? 480. Then 470. If you will skip 10 numbers from 470, then what will get? 460. Then 450, 440 and 430. Yes, 680. If you will skip 10 numbers from 680, so what will get? 670. If you will skip 10 numbers from 670, then 660. If you will skip 10 numbers from 660, then 650. Then 640, then 630. If you will skip 10 numbers from 630, then what number will get? 620. Then 610, 600 and 590. Okay, if you will subtract or from 740, if you will skip 10 numbers from 740, so what number will get? 730. If you will skip 10 numbers from 730, then 720. 710, then if you will skip 10 numbers from 710, then 700. If you will skip 10 steps from 700, then 690. Okay, if you will if you will skip 10 numbers from 700, then 690, then 680, 670. Then if you will subtract 10 steps from 670, then 660, 650. Okay, 820. If you will subtract, or if you will skip 10 numbers from 820, then 810, then 800, then 790. Yes, if you will subtract, or if you will skip 10 steps from 790, then what number will get? 780. Then 760, 750, 740, 730, 720. Then 950. If you will skip 10 numbers or 10 steps from 950, then what number will get? 940. Then 930, 920, 910, 900, 890, 880, 870, 860. Now come to page number 29. Student, write down dates for 24, 8, 20. Okay. Classwork, ascending and descending order is topic. Okay, and numbers in mixed form up to 990. Write the given numbers in ascending order. You have this different number. Okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Okay. You know very well that ascending order is started from smallest number. So student, which number is smallest number from these numbers? Which number is the smallest number? Yes, 210. Very good. Then after 210, what number will come from these numbers? Yes, tell me. 255. Very good. Then after 255, what number will come from these numbers? Yes, 340. Then after 340, what number will come from these numbers? 512. Yes, after 512, what number will come from this number? 625. Very good. Then after 625, what number will come from this number? 681. And then 914. Okay. Then next one is, you have these numbers. Okay, and you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. Yes, which number is the smallest number? 187. Then what number will come from after this number? 187. Yes, 232. Then 444. Okay, then after 444, what number will come from this number? 534, 584. Okay, then after 584, what number will come from these numbers? Yes, 936 and 997. Okay. Now next one is, yes, tell me which number is the smallest number? Yes, 219. Then what number will come from these numbers? 330. Then after 330, what number will come from these numbers? Yes, 424. Then 494. Then yes, which number will come? What number will come after 424 from these numbers? Yes, 535. Then what number will come from these numbers after 535? 31, 632, and then 925. Okay. So students, you have to do this work in your book. You have to complete this work, and this is the homework. Write the numbers in descending order. Okay, ascending order is started from smallest number and descending order is started from largest number. Okay, largest number. So student, which number is largest number from this number? 830. Okay, then before 830, what number we have? Yes, 715. Then before 715, what number we have? Yes, a 515.